Hey guys, so today we are doing a bronze, mustard, and peach look because I am all about the tones lately. I don't know what's going on, but some kind of mindset shift here. So, okay, first let me talk about this. I happened to be at Dollar Tree one day and they had the LA Colors iced pigment powders, and I bought the bronze one, which this is called Glisten. And if you've never used these before, they are very intense pigments. I was very surprised to see them at Dollar Tree because, as far as I knew, they were still part of the LA Colors permanent line, and you used to be able to buy these at Family Dollar. And I've had these before, and they are very, very intense. So you don't want to use too much because if you do, it's not going to look good. You just want to use like a light dusting of this because, yeah, they're very, very intense. So I'm going to show you how I use this. And I'm also going to use one of the e.l.f. No Budge Matte Shadow Sticks. These are so versatile, you guys, and I love to use these to incorporate it into an eye look. And this one is like a mustard color, and it is Vintage Suede is the name of this. And yeah, these e.l.f. No Budge matte shadow sticks, I get them at Target. I also buy them from the e.l.f. website, but they are so versatile, and yeah, I love incorporating these into my eyeshadow looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab So I'm going to start off by putting this in the crease. And just kind of putting it in the area where I want the shape to be. Then I'm going to take this blending brush and just kind of blend over it a little bit. And I'm actually going to take this all over the lid as well. If you're going to blend this or move it around at all, make sure you do it quickly because once this sets up, you will not be able to move it. And you don't even really need a brush. You can use your finger, or if you're precise, you can just do it with the stick itself. I don't know, I like to make sure that it's blended in the shape that I want it to be. Okay, so that looks about how I want it. Now we're going to move on to the pigment. So yeah, LA Colors Iced Pigment Powder in the shade Glisten, which is, like I said, a bronze. So it has holes in the top. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some of this and tap it into the cover. And for a brush, what I like to use a medium-sized fluffy brush. So I'm going to tap a little bit more, and that's about what I feel like you're going to need. So work your brush into the pigment, and yeah, just be careful you don't use too much. Now I'm going to tap that onto my lids and just work over the entire lid area. And less is more. because once you put too much, there's no going back. I'm just going to pick up what's left in the cover. Now, I started on the outside part of the eye, so that's where the majority of the pigment was deposited, but I want more of an even distribution, so I am going to tap a little bit more into the cover and pick it all up on the brush. And go back towards the front part of my lid and the middle part. Okay, I'm going to try to blend this so that it's more of an even distribution of pigment. See, once it sets into that mustard shadow, it doesn't want to move. So you gotta work it with the brush to get it how you want it. The light is really playing off the metallic aspect of this. Okay, now I have this Maybelline Tattoo Studio gel pencil liner in bronze glitz, and this is like sort of a cross between the shadow stick that we used and the pigment. I'm going to put that in the waterline. And next I'm going to take a small like detail brush, and I'm going to take some more of the pigment and use that. And I'm going to put that along the lower lash line. Start in the outer part, because that's where you want the majority of your color to be. And work your way inward. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to my shadow stick, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this in the inner corner. So we're really trying to play off this mustard and bronze colors together. I'm going to curl my lashes. Yeah, this is such a different look for me, but you know, it gets boring doing the same things all the time. So I really want to mix up what I do for colors and textures and play around with a bunch of different color stories. And lately, it's all about warm tones for some reason with me. Now, believe it or not, I am still going to use my CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia in Ultramarine because navy blue just looks good with everything. At least in my mind, it does. Yeah, this is like the ultimate neutral, I think. Whoa, there's a little clump here that I don't want to get on my lashes. And this color just looks good with everything. I'm trying to envision something that it wouldn't look good with. Um, yeah, navy blue doesn't really clash with anything in my mind. All right, I'm going to play catch up with the other eye, and we will come back and do something pretty special with the lips. Okay, so that is my mustard and bronze look with a little bit of gold highlight. And on my lips, I'm going to start by using my L'Oreal Color Riche lip liner in Au Naturale. And this is sort of a cross between pink and peach, in my opinion. And I am going to fill in my lips with this a little bit. And before I started my makeup, I put on a little bit of my Jeffree Star Wyoming Winter Lip Oil. Otherwise, the lip liner would not be able to drag across my lips. This is such a great color. If anybody knows of a lipstick that would match this, let me know because I do really, really like this color. Okay, so for the next lip product, I bought another one of the Maybelline Plump lip glosses that just came out. And these are very, very hot. If you didn't see the video that I did about this, yeah, they are very intense. That's why they have a little picture of a red hot chili pepper on them. But what happened was I saw the peach one called Peach Fever. I saw somebody wearing this in their video and I said, oh my God, that color is gorgeous. And wait till you see how pretty this looks on the lips. So this is the first time using it. I just picked this up yesterday. And these are pretty much at all the CVS's now if you're looking for these. Yeah, that color is gorgeous. And Pantone just announced that peach is going to be the color of the year for 2024. So I thought that was pretty appropriate. Yeah, that shade is gorgeous. So this is just like their other lifter glosses in the sense that you get some color, but that's why I wanted to put it over that lip liner. But isn't that a beautiful shade? So that is my mustard, bronze, and peach look, and I hope you enjoyed that. If you like this, um, give it a thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.